Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of sweet delights with a homemade donut recipe. Follow along as I guide you through creating these fluffy, delicious treats right in your kitchen. Let's get started. Step 1, ingredients. Gather your ingredients. 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ cup of milk, 2 beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Step 2, mixing the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add in the milk, beaten eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix until a soft dough forms. Step 3, rolling and cutting. Flour your work surface, then roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a donut cutter or 2 differently sized round cutters, one larger and one smaller, to cut out your donuts. Step 4, frying. Heat vegetable oil in a pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully drop the donuts into the oil and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they're golden brown. Remember to fry them in batches so they don't overcrowd the pot. Step 5, coating and decorating. Once fried and cooled slightly, dip the donuts into your preferred glaze, chocolate, vanilla, or a simple sugar glaze, and sprinkle with toppings like sprinkles, chopped nuts, or shredded coconut while the glaze is still wet. Voila! Your homemade donuts are ready to be enjoyed. These sweet treats are perfect for breakfast or as a delightful snack. Get creative with different glazes and toppings to suit your taste. Share in the comments below your favorite donut flavors or any special twists you add to your homemade treats. Wishing you endless joy in baking and savoring these delightful donuts. Happy baking!